السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا مرحبا بكم. How are you, my dear followers? Today we are going to start lesson number 6, الدرس السادس. In lesson number 6, we should start and we learn about هذه. So هذه mostly used for feminine, like for female. And last lesson we learned about some basic indicates like haza, haulai, ulaika. So in this lesson we learn about hazihi. So hazihi we use for feminine things and we indicate to our near person thing. So look, first one, haza ibnu hamidin. Haza ibnu hamidin. Like both female and male, like this is Kate, their conversation, their discussion. So haza ibnu hamidin, this is the son of Hamid. Wahazihi bintu Yasirin, and this is daughter of Yasir. So haza for male and hazihi for female. Okay. Man hazihi. Who is this? You know, like also we explain man and ma. So man mostly we use for zawil ukul, mean for living thing, and ma we use for non-living thing, like for غير ذوي العقول. So من هذه? من هذه? Who is this? هذه أخت المهندس. This is the sister of engineer. This is the sister of engineer. Okay. أهي أيضا مهندسة? Is she also engineer? La, no. She is doctor. She is a doctor. هي طبيبة. هي طبيبة. Okay. Next one, look. سيارة من هذه? So سيارة also we have feminine. سيارة من هذه? This car for who? So سيارة for this car of the principal. This car of the principal. Okay, next one we have ma hazihi. What is this? What is this? So this is iron. Hazihi mikwatun. Mikwa we use for the iron. So hazihi mikwa. Okay, next one we have lemon hazihi. This thing for who? So hazihi li Khalidin. This thing for Khalid. Like Khalid is owner of thing. Okay, next one, adarajatu anasin hazihi. This is cycle of Anas. La, hazihi darajatu Ammarin. This is the cycle of Ammar. Hazihi jadidatun. This is new. Like this cycle is new. Wadarajatu anasin qadimatun. And the cycle of Anas is so old. Okay. Next one, Sa'atu. Sa'at mean clock. Hazihi Sa'atu Aliyin. This is the clock of Ali. Hiya Jamilatun Jiddan. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay. Next one we have Hazihi Mil'aqatun. Hazihi Mil'aqatun. وهذه قدر. ملعقة mean spoon and قدر mean put, like we use for food. Okay, so هذه ملعقة, this is spoon, وهذه قدر, and this is like put. Okay, next one we have هذه بقرة الفلاح. هذه بقرة الفلاح. This is the cow of farmer. This is the cow of farmer. Okay, so in today lesson we learn about hazihi, and hazihi mostly used for feminine like for female thing. So inshallah we will meet in next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.